Welcome to the world of paper circuits. Color, connect and light it up using paper circuit. Creating electronic projects directly on paper using simple components. Circuit building with art and craft. Bring your paper crafts to life with these engaging STEM and STEAM kits. This kit includes a printed manual, as well as online video tutorials. 10 fun and informative projects includes basic, resistor, switch circuits, and many more. Concepts Labs blends circuit building with arts and crafts. We make circuit templates and other tools for educators, artists, and crafters so everyone can create and design their own expressive electronics. For more information, visit our website, conceptslab.in.